Hello everyone. Welcome to this complete SolidCAM 2025 installation and troubleshooting guide. In this video, I will show you how to fix SolidCAM license errors, make SolidCAM work properly inside SolidWorks, and install CNC post-processors correctly. This is a full working solution, step by step. First, let me show you the most common problem. As you can see, SolidCAM is installed, but when we open it inside SolidWorks, we get a license error. Many users face this issue after installation. SolidCAM may not start, the CAM tab may be missing, or the software may show activation or license-related errors. This problem happens due to incorrect installation order or license configuration. Now let's fix this problem properly. Follow these steps carefully. First, make sure SolidWorks is installed correctly and working fine. Then install SolidCAM 2025 using administrator rights. After installation, follow this method very carefully. This step is very important. Do not skip it. As you can see now, SolidCAM loads correctly without any license error. The CAM tab is visible, and SolidCAM is fully working inside SolidWorks. Let me quickly confirm that everything is working properly. SolidCAM opens without errors. The interface loads correctly. This confirms that the license and integration issue is completely fixed. Now let's move to the next important part, post-processors. A post-processor is one of the most critical components in any CAM software. It converts your SolidCAM toolpath into correct and machine-safe G-code for your CNC controller. Even if your toolpath looks perfect in simulation, without the correct post-processor, the machine output can still be wrong. Axis movement, tool orientation, feed rates, spindle behavior, and rotary axis motion all depend on the post-processor. That is why installing the correct post-processor for your specific machine is extremely important. In this video, I am also showing how to install SolidCAM post-processors correctly. I have provided a post-processor bundle and download links for many popular CNC machines and controllers. These include machines using FANUC, HAAS, DMG, DOOSAN, MAZAK, SIEMENS, HEIDENHAIN, and other commonly used controls. The bundle supports different machine types such as 3-axis milling, for axis machining, 5-axis machining, as well as mill and lathe configurations. This makes it easier to start programming without searching for posts from different sources. You can find the post-processor download link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. After downloading the post-processor, simply place the post files in the correct SolidCAM post directory. Once the files are copied, restart SolidWorks completely. Restarting SolidWorks is very important, otherwise the post-processor may not appear inside SolidCAM. After restarting, you should be able to see the post-processor inside SolidCAM when selecting or creating a new machine. At this point, you can assign the post-processor, generate the toolpath, and post the program normally. I always recommend checking the generated G-code carefully, especially when using a new post-processor for the first time. For 4-axis and 5-axis operations, this step becomes even more important. Small differences in rotary direction, axis limits, or machine configuration can affect how the program runs on the machine. Using simulation or performing a dry run helps confirm that the motion is correct before running the program on the actual CNC machine. This approach helps avoid crashes, reduces setup errors, and ensures safe and predictable machining. By following these steps, you can be confident that SolidCAM is installed correctly, the post-processor is working as expected, and the G-code output matches your machine behavior. This completes the post-processor installation and verification part of the process. So this was the complete SolidCAM 2025 installation and error fixing guide. In this video, we covered SolidCAM license errors, SolidCAM detection inside SolidWorks, and correct post-processor installation. If you are facing any issue related to SolidCAM installation, license problems, SolidWorks integration, or CNC post-processors, this method will help you. All download links and support contact details are available in the video description. If you need a custom or machine-specific post-processor or professional support, you can contact us using the details provided. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more SolidCAM and CNC tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.